B7000 and 15/25, 51/110 of a megaliter transparent phone screen repair glue. B7000 universal glass. B7000 and 15/25, 51/110 of a megaliter transparent phone screen repair glue. B7000 universal glass plastic DIY. Adhesive with precision applicator. B7000 is a strong, clear adhesive that is commonly used for repairing cell phone screens. It is also effective for bonding other materials, such as glass, plastic, and metal. The adhesive is easy to use and dries clear, making it a good choice for repairing devices that you want to look their best. Benefits of B7000. Strong adhesive. B7000 is a very strong adhesive that can hold together a variety of materials. It is often used to repair cell phone screens, but it can also be used to bond other items, such as glass, plastic, and metal. Clear adhesive. B7000 dries clear, making it a good choice for repairing devices that you want to look their best. Easy to use. B7000 is easy to apply and use. It comes with a precision applicator that helps you apply the adhesive evenly. Versatile. B7000 can be used on a variety of materials, making it a good choice for a variety of projects. Drawbacks of B7000. Long drying time. B7000 can take up to 24 hours to dry completely. This can be a problem if you need to repair a device quickly. Toxic fumes. B7000 emits toxic fumes when it is curing. This can be a problem if you are working in a confined space. Slippery when wet. B7000 is slippery when it is wet. This can make it difficult to work with the adhesive. Overall, B7000 is a strong, clear adhesive that is easy to use and versatile. It is a good choice for repairing cell phone screens and other projects.